You're welcome to Remit Trade Academy. In today's video, I'm going to look at the updates right now. Bitcoin price is going right down, Ethereum, almost all the cryptocurrency pairs. So I am going to look at those charts and tell you possible thing to expect in the market and how you can rearrange yourself for this bear move. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Also leave a like for this video. Right now, if you look at BTC, I have not taken the trade yet on Bitcoin. Reason being that if you watch my previous video, I was looking at the market to break this key structure. So this was a very strong resistance level here. That was resistance in the past, resistance here as well. So I wanted to see a breakout of this resistance, like I said earlier, before taking a position. And I also see if market break down below this very strong support level here. You see the market has broken this level. That means the bear are already very strong in the market. Now, if you look at this chart very well, this means this is an impulsive move. And what will come in is a retracement before the next impulse again to the downside. So this is what I am looking at right now. The change in market sentiment have occurred in my own perspective, reason being that the market has failed to break this key strong resistance level, and the market is right down at the moment with this very strong impulsive bear move. If you go to the 1-day chart on BTC USDT, a breakout of this trend line, this support trend line here, is very important, guys. See, the market has come back right down. We were expecting the market to pause on this trend line, but the reverse is the case. The only thing that will make this not happen, that is the market not going down, is if we see a rejection upon the close of this candle to this very level. So if that rejection occurs, then we will see the market go back up. But right now, with the current condition of the market is going to go right down, guys. From this move, I am expecting the market to go right down to this very level. When you see a bearish move in the market, it's not the reason why you should panic. Cryptocurrency always go up and come back down. Market will go back down and still go back up again. We've seen in the past where market crashed back right down and still right up to this very point and create a new high. So what you have to do is, if you were trading, looking for short-term trade, you might have been stopped out around this area. And if you are holding, there is no room to panic. Keep holding your coins. Market will bounce back up. But if you are trading, you have to be very careful when executing your trades. For me, I've not entered any trade yet on BTC USDT. So this is the first point where I expect the market to get to before we'll see the market bounce back up. And then the second point is this very area. So these points and this area are the levels where I am expecting the market to bounce back up to the upside. The bounce back up to the upside I'm talking about is a retracement before I want to see a fail swing around this area. So what I am expecting is market to come back down just like market is right now, and then retrace back. It should give me a fail swing, or I should see the market go back down again to create a new low. But if we see a fail swing in this formation, then that means market is going to go up. Remember, this very level is still very strong. The breakout on this support is also very strong as well. So you need to be very careful on your trade right now, except you are shorting the market if you are trading the futures market. So that is what I'm expecting right now. The market is already in a very strong bearish move, which indicate that the bears are very strong in the market right now, and you should change your directional bias. ETH USDT here, you see the market is already in this very strong support area, and I want to say it very clearly that I took a trade here, and then the market is already, you see, this is supposed to be a move to the upside, but it fails. So I am already stopped out around this area, and market is already down in with this very strong impulse. I want to see the market break out on this level right now, guys. I want to see the market break out on this level before I can start taking short position on features. And if you are holding Ethereum for a long time, then there is no need for you to panic. Market will always bounce back up if you are holding for a long time. And one thing you have to do when you are holding for a long time, you have to define your long time. Okay, so right now, a breakout on this support will send Ethereum back down, and the first level where I expect Ethereum to get to is this very level. If you look at in the past, this was a very strong resistance here, so this resistance could potentially become support, and this level as well, this very strong support level at this point. So this region is where I expect the market to get to, but right now, impulse retracement will come into the market before the next impulse. A failed swing is also an indication that the market is going to go back up, but right now market is descending down with this strong bearish move. So this is where I'm expecting the market to get to before the market go back up. If we see this chart really break this support level at the time of the close of this very strong bearish candle. If you look at SAND USDT, I said I will give a trade on this market, but I've not seen any reason to take a trade yet. That is why on the Telegram group I've not given this signal yet, but I will surely give a signal here. You see the market has broken all this level. Like I said earlier, if you look at the 1 day chart, on the 1 day chart, the market has been very parabolic to the upside, a retracement, good retracement for this market to have the tendency again to go back to the upside. So on the 4-hour chart here, if you look at it very well, this point has been broken. This was where I was expecting the market to bounce back up, but I'm seeing the market go down right now, and the next target is this area and this very point right here. So market should come back here again, is the area I'm expecting the market to bounce back to the upside. So this impulse, possible retracement, and this retracement will come out in this form: impulse, then retracement, and then impulse again before we see the market maybe right up to the upside. So this is where I'm expecting the market to get to right now after the break of this my strong support level. We have not taken the trade here, both in the VIP group and also in the Telegram group. Now the Telegram link is in the description of this video. Join the Telegram group right now. GALA USDT, I talk about market breakdown into this level, and that is what we are seeing right now after the breakout of this range. Okay, so market breaking down to this point is a good thing to look out for, and then this area, so this is the point I am looking out for the market to bounce up from, this very strong support level at this area. So allow the market to go in. If you look at it, there is no significant candlestick pattern that signifies that the bulls were in the market within this zone. It was all strong bearish candle moving drastically down, as we see right here. Now this is not a room for you to panic. If you are holding GALA for a long time, keep holding, it will do well. If you're holding SAND for a long time, keep holding, it will do well as well, in as much as you bought at a very lower price. Right now we've not taken the trade on GALA or SAND yet, because I am expecting the market to go back right now. I'm going to give this call on our various groups. That is what I am expecting the market right now, because there is a very great drastic move by the BS in the market right now, and you need to position yourself. If you are not a futures trader, then stay off of the market and watch the market for key levels to be broken before taking a buy position on spot. Thank you very much for watching to this video. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please help subscribe, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Leave a like for this video. If you want to enroll for the Remit Trade Intensive Cryptocurrency course and mentorship program, please check the contacts in the description of this video and get into class with me directly. Thank you very much for watching today's video.